Interaction clicks by object is one of the most telling KPIs that you'll find in your Ceros Analytics dashboard. Interaction clicks by object gives you a breakdown of every clickable element in your Ceros experience and how your users are interacting with them. Keep in mind that this will list out each object that has an on-click interaction applied to it, including but not limited to images, shapes, icons, text boxes, and hotspots. For each object, there are a few key components that tell you a little bit more about the object and how it is performing. You'll see what page the object sits on, how many total clicks the object had, as well as what percentage of total clicks was on the object. Right off the bat, this view gives you a great idea of how well each object in the experience is performing. You can see, for example, how many visitors clicked on various pop-ups or clicked on a navigation button to take you further into the experience. This tells you how many visitors are not only viewing your content, but how many are actively engaging with it. This information will help you make adjustments to the live piece to help it perform better throughout your campaigns. Using the insights found in interaction clicks by object, you can make educated decisions on how to improve your experience. In the next video, we'll walk through another important indicator, outbound link clicks, and discuss why it's important and how you can use the insights found to improve clicks in your experience.